From pore problems to excess oils to blackheads on the skin. From normal to combination to oily skin. No preservatives? I know you're wondering what is this about. Let me show. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to share an insight about a product I have been using for the past 2 weeks. And let's make it easy. It's a skincare product. You all know how much I love makeup. Like, skincare is a liability for me. It's harmful to use too many products from different brands on your skin. They may react.
But there is one brand I trust completely. That's Lotus Botanicals.
So 2 weeks back, I just ordered their natural cleansing baking soda face wash. And believe me guys, there's a huge difference between this face wash and all the face wash I use from other brands. The USP of this face wash is the main ingredient is baking soda. We all know that baking soda is a great exfoliant. Now you have to see that when you are applying something natural source like baking soda, it will banish all the pimples, acne and blackhead from your skin. It has also anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that gives us a basic benefit that it can easily deep cleanse your skin and even out the skin tone. You don't have to worry about any irritation. The best thing about this face wash is it's very gentle and soothing. Now I use makeup, but you may not use makeup and you may have sensitive skin or any other types of skin, and you don't want something to put, you don't want any harsh product to put on your skin every day. Now the product is so good that you can use it twice. The summers are coming and you may sweat a lot. So just to clean your skin and keep it feel hydrated and glowing, you can use it daily. In the morning, once you wake up or after you come from any work or not, and also at night before going to bed. Now the directions to use, it's really simple. The directions to use is you have to take a coin size amount on your damp face and neck, and you have to just massage it in circular motions. Once you're done, you know the process and you wipe off your face. So this is the product I was talking about. Well, I'm twinning with my product today. So I wanted to share the application with you. This is how the bottle looks like. You just take this coin-sized amount. Now my face is wet right now, so I can easily this product is so gentle guys. You don't feel any irritation, any harshness, and there's a sweet fragrance that won't create nausea. And once you're done, you can just splash water and wipe it off. After washing it with a face wash, I haven't applied any makeup, no cream. You can see how clean my face looks. I'm so satisfied with the result guys. I would definitely recommend this product to everybody. You must be wondering, apart from baking soda, is there anything other ingredient that may provide harmful? I can say you there is no paraben, there is no sulfate, there is no mineral oils. Let's see. It's vegan, cruelty-free and recyclable. An affordable face wash with no parabens, sulfate, pH balanced. It's cruelty-free and recyclable, and it uses natural ingredients. You get 4 benefits in one. So hurry up, buy the product right now.